Are you looking for a professional online classroom? LearnCube is an easy, affordable solution, purpose-built for live online education. We offer so much more than just reliable video conferencing. Get on the same page with your students using our multi-tab whiteboard. Upload and save class materials to your own lesson library for future use. You can upload PDFs, video or audio files, or even load a YouTube video to play, pause, or skip ahead. Both student and teacher can annotate on top of lesson materials, or even using our advanced screen share feature. Your materials are saved automatically at the end of the class. They can be accessed for review or reloaded to pick up where you left off. Schedule with ease and access reports on past classes. Make LearnCube's classroom your classroom. It's a snap to add your own logo and change the color scheme to match your brand. LearnCube is download free, so students can easily connect with their computer, tablet or smartphone. For individual or group classes, LearnCube really is the perfect all-in-one online teaching solution. Sign up for a free 14-day trial of the Pro Plan today by clicking on the link in the description or visiting learncube.com.